So installation of the wall lantern is pretty easy. You have to remove the mounting bracket that's already mounted onto the back of the fixture. Then you turn it over and remove the screws that are holding the top on there so you can put a bulb on there later. I put some silicone around the mounting plate after I took it off and after I'd removed the old fixture so that it would seal the top of the fixture around the electrical box so moisture wouldn't get in my electrical box. It would have been nice if they'd put in a seal for that. But then you can see after, it's just fairly simple to make the electrical connections, and you can see how it looks after it has been mounted. And then the last stills here show how the light is dispersed, which is a lot better than my old fixture, which only went down. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.